The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know who this already. This is the Dancehall Skilla. Now I have something for sure no, where it's some form of stunt riding thing where it's not normal. See? And me just have to warn you that this video, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Just remember now, please do not try this at home. Alright? Observe. Viewers and subscribers, me nah encourage no one to try something like this. Me nah tell no one. You can imagine you put your head to the ground, virgin. For a risk like that, it's not even say you run the risk with one person. Sorry for all up the two things I want to fall up still. But it's not even say you run the risk with one person, you know. You see me? That's like about almost, that's a couple of them. See me? What could I really and truly you have to gain that you are going to run such a risk where you have people are ride bicycle between your head so close, like look on the wheel, you know what that? Eh? Do you have any idea how dangerous that is? No, brother. No, really and truly, when me see this, you know, me have to say, yo, me have to show my viewers and subscribers this, because this is not an everyday normal thing. This way right here, son, or something will just pop out of the works like every minute or something when to the normal. That's not normal. That right there says not normal. Right? Now, circus thing and them things there, you know, just like when it's a circus event and so forth, you know, you see them do some stunts and so forth, and it's big and it's great. Fine, we give thanks, you know. Everybody have them talent and all these things. You see what I say? And I'm not trying to bash anyone's talent and say, yo, this or that, you know. But me personally would not try that, and I would never encourage anyone to do something like that. What kind of stunt risk is this? Huh? Me nah risk my head like that. No, sir. Suppose the bicycle miss and run over your neck or something. Big up on yourself still. Big up all the man them were full of them stunt talent and all these things. I respect you know, if you know so you know no stunt talent and you can't do nothing, but at the same time, that is something I'll never encourage anybody to do, and I would believe me. I don't know how many times I can say this. You see? Alright? So viewers and subscribers, we bring this to you to take a look on this, because it's not really normal. So you know, just look on this and tell me what you think, alright? And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. Yes, it.